Students, you all know that we are continuing with the book English Literature workbook na. So poem A Night in June, we are continuing with this chapter. Come to the page number 15 in your book of English Literature workbook. So today mention today's date 21/7/20 and classwork. We are going through this exercise. When you come to the page number 15, there is only one exercise is left. Before starting this exercise, I am going to demonstrate this 3 examples to you know how to do this exercise na. Why is the boy smiling? This is a normal question. So when we change it, we can change it like this. Do you know why the boy is smiling? Means if anybody else is asking the same question, why is the boy smiling? He asks, do you know why the boy is smiling? Next, where are the boy's friends? So this same question, if anybody other can ask, he can ask like this. Do you know where the boy's friends are? At the last you put the interrogative mark also, because these are all the interrogative sentence. What is the boy hiding? In this sentence, when we change it like this. Do you know what the boy is hiding? Now we are coming to the main exercise, the last exercise of this chapter. Where is the post office? So when you come to the page number 15, you can see with the red do you know is given there. You have to write only do you know where the post office is. When you ask, you can ask like this. Do you know where the post office is? Next, what is the postmaster's name? So we can change it like this as the examples are given. Do you know what the postmaster's name is? So we change it like this. Where does the postmaster live? Again, next question, we can change it like this. Do you know where the postmaster live? Where the postmaster live? At the last we put the interrogative mark also. What does the postmaster do? Do you know what the postmaster does? Next, when does the postmaster come to the post office? So the question will change like this. Do you know when the postmaster come to the post office. To the post office. You all have to fill it with the help of pencil. This is the work of your workbook, you all know. So, fill it with the help of pencil only. When does he go home? So, the question change like this. Do you know when does he go home? Change it like this. At the last, put the full interrogative mark also. Come to the next, seventh one. Where do his children go to school? So it is changed like this. Do you know? Do you know where his children go to school? Where his children go to school? The last one, why is the postmaster so happy? So, question will change like this. Do you know why the postmaster is so happy? And at the last, you can put the interrogative mark also like this. What you all have to do, you all have to complete it in your English literature workbook with the help of pencil only. Don't use pen, okay? And what is your homework? Revise this exercise. Okay, thank you.